fucking A, friend. That's probably Dave.
Is it centered?
Yeah, but your leather gloves are literally in between the motors. Woo, that was great. I loved it. Great, ready? I got the shaft. Pull your right hand back just a little bit. There you go. That was awesome. Yay! Oh yeah, that's in there, isn't it? Alright.
Yeah, see, there's no room to actually put anything in there. You feel me?
Yeah. Did we get that right?
Oh, you put it in there.
That's not gonna work out, huh?
Oh, what is this going?
It's the same direction the shred's go, huh? It's backwards because the rotor is
because it's gonna go.
Alright. That was so cool. Alright, you ready? Alright, I got the shaft. Okay, here we go. Okay.
Now stop it from going.
Okay, I got it. So much force. Woo! That was totally cool.
Alright, choke everything real quick. Look at all the windings. Make sure we don't catch nothing or hit nothing.
Yeah, everything looks pretty legit. The only way to find out now is to give it a whirl.
Get you a socket to tap it on around there or no? Little hammer.
I'm using my hands of glory. She's on.
No. Plastic.
Plastic. Oh wow, that's in.
You know, it's just so clever. I'm like, man.
Yay! We can officially test it at this point.
Unless you rip the wire around it.
Alright. Again. And then just soldered that all back together. I'm kidding. Just TIG welded that big. Don't you mean soldered? No, he's a TIG welder. Just welded all that together. I didn't even use any solder. Yay, so glad you came over to help me do this just for that one reason, man. I feel like I still have a headlamp from riding through the mist tonight. Toothbrush? Dave must have just got home. Your car's parked out far, is it?
Yes.
Oh no, Dave's gonna give me some shit about that.
Seriously?
Probably.
Alright, what we got?
It's too late. He's gonna do it. Let's just go back.
We open the garage or go out the front door? Back door?
Doesn't matter.
Where do you park?
What?
You think you blocking in?
I don't know. I doubt it. See you tomorrow. Be quiet. See if I can be a ninja about it. Alright, later. Alright, together. Loader's on too. Next I just gotta go ahead and open the arm back up, put the arm back in there, put the tabs on correctly, bolt it up, turn it on, and see what she does. Hopefully it works. And then if it does, then we'll go ahead and fix the brakes and all that bit. It should be ready to rock and roll. Alright, we got the security code in. We got it turned on. Now let's see if she spins. Alright. Alright, that works for me. Probably need to do a little adjustment on the rotor, but other than that, looks like we're in business. Yay! Now I need to add a little bit of link to the ignition wire to this guy or reroute it. And then solder the connections back in, put it back together, it's done. And then this one, he says he wants it to go really fast, and if I can, figure out why the motor moved. Not bad at all.